Well, a few weeks ago, some of us from AOPA were out in Dayton, Ohio. We were gathering content from the National Aviation Heritage Area in conjunction with the AOPA Pilot Passport feature in the AOPA app. And one of our stops was the Champaign Aviation Museum in Urbana. Volunteers there are restoring a B-17, and they gave us a lesson in blind riveting.
Thanks for coming over.
Oh, no, thanks for having us.
Okay, so somebody step up there. Everybody's going to get a turn at riveting.
Okay, we're gonna.
Eric, go for it. You go first.
This is what, you know, the Rosie, the riveters, or anybody would have put the skin on. Like you'd had a piece of skin, you'd had a rib. In most cases, it's a big curve, but you know. But anyway, first thing you have to do, you have to pick the right rivet. Somebody's got to buck the rivet.
I'll buck the rivet. Where are we going?
This is the rivet you're going to be bucking.
Right there? All right.
Yeah.
So just hold it.
Yeah, you know, no, you're
Okay.
too tight.
Okay.
What you have to put the rivet on, put the gun on the rivet. Okay? You're on. Now,
right.
now you want to come up against it.
All right, we got to focus
Now, what's
there.
going to happen as she runs it, you're going to write it down.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, now go ahead. Whoa! Oh! He did. you done shot that one. Okay. Well, no, it's not completely down, but just real easy. Okay. Oh no, you're pulling like a gun. Okay. You just ease it, real easy.
Okay.
Here.
I'm good.
Try it again. No, try again. And just ease into it. Now keep going. A little bit more. See the Clicos, we're going every other one.
Right.
They would have loaded and had it drilled, and that's what they would have done. They drilled in between. Once you get the in between ones, now you can take these out and do the other.
Now, were they having to drill this out and deburr and everything on all of these, or is that already done for them?
In most cases, your riveters would just rivet. Somebody would have had this deburred and clean and ready to go. Yeah.
Now that you've learned what not to.
I know, right? All right, right there.
Just kind of get to support yourself. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Stop right there. Now come here and take a look. Come around and see what you did. So here's what you did. Now,
Yeah.
Okay. That. See that goes on?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's got to go down a little bit more. Okay. Just a fraction more.
Cool. All right, ready, Paul? Yep.
Okay. Good. That should be a good one.
We have a lot more from the National Aviation Heritage Area, and you'll see it across AOPA channels real soon.